Okay. All right, stop. Which one is that? That's got to be, that is the cold. That's the cold. Okay. Do it one more time.
Same one?
Yeah. Okay, stop. So that, oh yeah, it's leaking at the toilet where it goes up to the toilet flange too. So that's up above the floor or in the wall. Okay, now try the hot. Whoa, stop. Holy crap. What the hell? That's from the other bathroom. Jesus. Huh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see. Actually, that's not too bad. There's just a completely severed pipe. Do that one again. Just for a second. Okay, stop. Okay. So I think it's clear out. We got to just rejoin this one hot water supply to the main bathroom. But I think we have to completely replumb the addition bathroom. So, okay, cool.